Hi everybody, this is Shelby with edTPA the Easy Way, and today I'm going to be showing you how I took my recorded video and made it the correct file size so that it would upload to the Pearson platform. If you're new here, I make videos like these every week, and you can subscribe so that you get notified for all things edTPA tips and tricks. So without further ado, here we go. I am in Windows Live Movie Maker, and you will import your file. It will take a few minutes to import the entire thing because most likely it's like a 50-minute video. But once you get it in, you need to take the time to go through and watch it and find the good parts that you want. I already have this trimmed down. So my time limit was 20 minutes, and I am under that. Quick note here, this looks like I have 1, 2, 3 video clips, but just to assure you, I don't. This is just a split. It's not a jump in time. You'll see I go from here, and it is continuous right there. I split it because I did not know if I wanted to use this first part, but I ended up using it, and so this is one continuous clip, then a split, and then I have one whole other long clip. So those are my 2 clips. Okay, once you have figured out what you want, you are going to go over here to Save Movie, and you're going to click Create Custom Setting at the very bottom. Okay, you will click New Setting, and you'll fill these in. I have one pre-recorded, so this is what you're going to fill in these numbers as. Pause, snapshot, whatever, right here. But 640 for the width, 480 for the height, 5128 for the bit rate, 30 for the frame rate, and choose this option for audio. Okay? And then you are going to hit Save, and it will save your custom setting. Then you're going to go back out and hit Save Movie. Choose that custom setting you just made. It'll be down here at the bottom. And then you will hit Save. Okay? It'll take a few minutes to save, maybe 3 or 4 minutes to save, and then you'll be able to find it in your files. Mine came out to be about 230 megabytes. It was the closest I could get to being close to 300, being clear but not going over, and not being too far under that it was just so grainy it looked horrible. So keep in mind, it doesn't have to be high def. I submitted it. It was good to go. So if you're not trying to reinvent the wheel, just use those numbers. All right. So that is basically it for today. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. I hope you guys are doing well, preparing for edTPA. I know there's a submission date like pretty soon, and then there's one probably in March. So good luck to all of you. Feel free to send me your comments and questions. I'll try and answer them as quickly as I can. And for any of you who started out watching my videos earlier, I have since uploaded a good number of new rubric checklists, those 3-page checklists that I made for a few different contents on my Teachers Pay Teacher store. So I will link some of those below if you haven't seen them yet. If by chance you are either elementary, middle, or secondary math, elementary education, elementary literacy, or yeah, I think that's it. So check out for those. I hope this was helpful, and best of luck to you all. Happy edTPA.